Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: an unlocked phone, a charged battery, and either a physical SIM or eSIM credentials. First, power off the phone, insert the SIM cleanly into the correct tray, or follow the carrier's eSIM activation steps. Once done, power the device back on and sign into the carrier account if prompted. Make sure airplane mode is off and mobile data is enabled so the device can search for the network and receive initial provisioning. Now you'll configure the middle steps that let voice and data flow. Open Settings, choose Connections or Network, and pick the preferred network type such as 4G or 5G. This affects speed and compatibility. Next, go to Access Point Names and add or edit the APN values exactly as your carrier specifies. Wrong characters block data. If your carrier pushes a settings profile, install it and restart the phone. Make sure software is up to date, so drivers and radio. Finish by verifying the connection. Place a call, send a message, and load a web page or run a speed test to confirm data. If service is absent or intermittent, reboot the phone, remove and reseat the SIM or toggle airplane mode. These quick steps often clear provisioning stalls. If that fails, reset network settings to restore default radios and APNs. Keep your Wi-Fi passwords handy. Finally, contact the carrier with your IMEI and account info so they can check provisioning or tower issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.